Hello, Mr. Blue Jay. You just landed. 7:03. It's 7:03. Hi, Mr. Blue Jay. I'm so happy that they left some food. I'm sorry that they didn't leave much. Damn pigeons. I just had to scare them away. Yeah, man. There was like legit like 12 pigeons this morning. Like 5 something. I'm like, no. I mean, they're not there all the time like that. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Oh, looky. Hi. Oh. Hi, pretty. How are you? Take a piece of corn. See? Nice and calm and dainty. Unlike you, brutes. Brutes. That's what pigeons are. They're brutes. Shit. They are brutes.